All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator, and I am going to show you how to put an I in team. A little graphic design fun for you. So you can see clearly that there is no I in team, right? So they say. So I'm going to get a nice square font, literally called square font, and we're going to go up here to type, and we're going to create outlines on it so I can then mess with each part of the characters here. And I'm going to go here and I'm going to grab some anchor points. I'm using the direct selection tool up here. I'm going to hit copy. I'm going to hit paste. Now down here, I'm going to take these little ends off. I'm just going to delete it. And then I'm going to grab these and I'm going to join those paths because it's an open path right now. So now it's just a rectangle. I'm going to get the inner of this A. I'll do that too, right? Now, what we're going to do is click this. We're going to grab it here and we're going to snap it right into the middle there. We're going to do the same thing with this guy. And now, click both of them. We're going to pull out some colors. I'm now going to show you that there is, in fact, an I in team. It's even better than being spelled in team. It's literally in it. So anyways, don't let people tell you there's no I in team. Oh, let's sprite this up a little bit. You know, looks cool. There we go. So there is, in fact, an I in team. So anyways, that's my lesson for today. Hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.